ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model developed by OpenAI, specifically fine-tuned and designed for natural language understanding and generation in conversational contexts. It's tailored for tasks related to human-like text generation and dialogue. ChatGPT is built on the foundation of the GPT-3 model architecture, which is known for its capabilities in natural language processing and generation. Key features and capabilities of ChatGPT include conversational understanding. ChatGPT is trained to understand and generate text in a conversational manner, making it suitable for chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications involving human-computer interaction. Contextual responses. It can generate responses based on the context of a conversation, maintaining coherent and relevant dialogues over multiple turns. Text completion. ChatGPT can complete prompts or sentences, making it useful for tasks like text generation, content creation, and code generation. Natural language processing. It can perform a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as language translation, text summarization, question answering, and more. Customization. OpenAI provides the ability to fine-tune ChatGPT on specific tasks or domains, allowing developers to create more specialized and domain-specific conversational agents. Large-scale language model. ChatGPT benefits from the extensive training data and pre-training on a massive corpus of text, which enhances its language understanding and generation capabilities. ChatGPT and similar models have been used in various applications, including customer support chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, language translation, and more. However, it's important to note that while ChatGPT can generate human-like text, it may not always provide accurate or contextually appropriate responses, and it may sometimes generate biased or objectionable content. Therefore, it's essential to use ChatGPT responsibly and consider the ethical implications of its usage. Example of a conversation with a hypothetical ChatGPT-based virtual assistant. User: Hi there. Can you tell me the weather forecast for New York City today? ChatGPT: Of course. Let me check that for you. Give me a moment. Okay, it looks like the weather in New York City today is partly cloudy with a high of 78 degrees Fahrenheit 26 degrees Celsius and a low of 62 degrees Fahrenheit 17 degrees Celsius. There's a slight chance of afternoon showers. Do you need any more information? User: Thanks for the update. What about the weather in Los Angeles? ChatGPT: Sure, let me find that for you. In Los Angeles today, you can expect sunny skies with a high around 85 degrees Fahrenheit 29 degrees Celsius and a low of 68 degrees Fahrenheit 20 degrees Celsius. It's looking like a beautiful day in LA. Is there anything else I can assist you with? User: No, that's all for now. Thanks for your help. ChatGPT: You're welcome. If you have any more questions in the future, don't hesitate to ask. Have a great day. In this example, the ChatGPT-based virtual assistant engages in a conversation with the user, understands the context, retrieves relevant information, in this case, the weather forecast, and provides responses in a conversational and helpful manner. ChatGPT can handle a wide range of conversational tasks and provide information or assistance on various topics, making it suitable for virtual assistant and chatbot applications. What are the different ways you can use ChatGPT? ChatGPT, like other natural language processing models, can be used in various ways and applications to interact with text-based data and provide valuable responses. Here are some different ways you can use ChatGPT. Conversational agents and chatbots use ChatGPT to create virtual assistants or chatbots that can engage in text-based conversations with users. These conversational agents can answer questions, provide information, and assist with various tasks. Customer support. Implement ChatGPT as part of your customer support system to handle common customer inquiries and provide 24/7 support. ChatGPT can assist with FAQs, troubleshooting, and basic issue resolution. Content generation. Leverage ChatGPT to automatically generate content for blogs, articles, product descriptions, or other written materials. It can help with content ideas, outlines, and even full drafts. Language translation. Use ChatGPT for language translation tasks. It can translate text from one language to another, making it useful for internationalization and localization efforts. Text summarization: implement ChatGPT for summarizing long articles, reports, or documents. It can generate concise and coherent summaries of lengthy texts. Text completion: use ChatGPT to autocomplete sentences or paragraphs. It can assist writers in completing sentences or suggesting next steps in their writing. Question answering: employ ChatGPT to answer questions based on a given context or set of documents. It can be used for information retrieval and knowledge-based systems. Interactive storytelling: create interactive storytelling experiences where users can engage with characters and plotlines, and ChatGPT responds dynamically to user inputs. Email autoresponders: configure ChatGPT to automatically respond to emails or messages with predefined responses or information, providing quick replies to common inquiries. Code generation: use ChatGPT to assist with coding tasks by generating code snippets, helping with debugging, or explaining programming concepts. Language understanding and parsing: implement ChatGPT to understand and parse natural language queries, enabling more advanced search and data retrieval systems. Educational tools: develop educational tools that use ChatGPT to explain complex topics, answer students' questions, and provide additional learning resources. Market research and sentiment analysis: use ChatGPT to analyze social media comments, reviews, or survey responses to gauge public sentiment or perform market research. Text-based games: create text-based games and interactive experiences where ChatGPT serves as a character or interacts with players. Legal and compliance assistance: implement ChatGPT to assist legal professionals with drafting documents, contracts, or legal research. These are just some examples of how ChatGPT can be applied to various tasks and industries. Its versatility in natural language understanding and generation makes it a valuable tool for automating and enhancing text-based interactions and processes. However, it's important to use ChatGPT responsibly and consider ethical and privacy implications when integrating it into your applications. What are the current limitations of ChatGPT? ChatGPT and similar language models have some limitations and challenges that are important to be aware of. Lack of real understanding: while ChatGPT can generate coherent and contextually relevant responses, it doesn't truly understand the text it generates. It generates responses based on patterns in the data it was trained on, and these responses may not always reflect a deep understanding of the underlying concepts. Occasional incorrect or biased information: ChatGPT can generate responses that are factually incorrect, biased, or based on potentially problematic content from the training data. Users should be cautious and verify information obtained from such models. Sensitivity to input wording: the choice of words in the input prompt can significantly affect the response. Slight changes in how a question is phrased can lead to different answers, which can be confusing for users. Inventing information: ChatGPT may sometimes make up information that sounds plausible but is not based on real facts. This can be a concern in scenarios where accuracy is crucial. Verbosity: ChatGPT models can be overly verbose and tend to provide long-winded responses when a shorter answer would suffice. This can impact user experience and comprehension. Difficulty in handling ambiguity: ChatGPT can struggle with handling ambiguous queries and may guess the user's intent rather than seeking clarification when faced with unclear questions. Sensitive content: ChatGPT may sometimes generate inappropriate or offensive content, even though efforts have been made to filter out such responses. Lack of common sense reasoning: while ChatGPT can provide information, it often lacks common sense reasoning abilities, which can lead to responses that are logically flawed or nonsensical. No memory of past interactions: ChatGPT models do not have memory of past interactions within a conversation session. Each query is treated in isolation, which can lead to context loss and misunderstandings. Resource-intensive: training and deploying large language models like ChatGPT can be resource-intensive, making them less accessible for smaller organizations or developers with limited computational resources. Ethical concerns: the use of AI language models like ChatGPT raises ethical concerns related to bias, privacy, and potential misuse, which require careful consideration and responsible use. It's worth noting that these limitations are based on the state of the technology as of 2021. Ongoing research and development may lead to improvements and mitigations for some of these issues. Responsible and thoughtful implementation, as well as ongoing monitoring and oversight, are essential when using ChatGPT and similar models to ensure they provide valuable and ethical interactions. Users and developers should also stay informed about the latest developments and best practices in AI ethics and safety.